Welcome back to my shop. I am working on a Nikon today, and this is going to be another inspection video. I'm going to see if this camera is worth repairing. We're going to see what's wrong with it, how much wear the camera's got, and check it out. So come along. Okay, let's see what we've got here. This appears to be a Nikon FE. And the customer is from Virginia, Alexandria, is that right? And he says, or she says, the film counter is not working, and the seals need to be replaced, and the camera needs a good cleaning, lubrication, etc., etc. So basically, the problems it has are not serious at this point. The counter here is not advancing. And now it is advancing. It'll still need to be looked at. There's something wrong with it. Okay. Auto's working. I can tell because it's timing out. I say set at 400. Camera looks clean. 28mm lens I sent with it. And let's see if we can get some light on it. Not much. Let's try turning up the lamp brightness here. See if that helps. There we go. Let's try another camera. Yeah, it's better. Looks clean inside. The plate here that the camera attaches to is not scratched up, so it hasn't had much use. Or they've kept that one. The follower is not sticking, which is a good sign. All in all, I'd say it's a pretty clean camera. The leather's not peeling at the corners. Let's open it up. Have a look inside. The rails, what I call the rails, there's some corrosion on them. That happens when the camera is put away and moisture gets in there. The shutter itself looks pretty good. No scratches. I would say this camera hasn't been used much, which is good. That's always a good sign. The pressure plate is clean. When a pressure plate's all scratched up, it's had a lot of film going through it. And this one looks, I see a little bit of scratching right around this corner here. But the back looks good. The foam here, as you can see, is in terrible shape. Both on the door and the body. Those will have to be replaced. But that won't be any problem. Normally, the next step I would do would be to put this camera on the tester and check the speeds. Battery's up. Yeah, I'll say this camera is not going to be too much trouble to clean up. They want me to go through the camera, of course. It'll all be torn down. But this is a camera that will clean up well and service well. When they get it back, it'll be in really good shape. A camera needs a cleaning and gone through about, I would say, once a decade with normal use, adjustments, oiling. And this one is a good candidate for that sort of thing. It hasn't been outside much. Looks like it's been mostly inside camera. The focus helical has grease in it, but it's a little bit on the lean side. They only sent it money for a body cleaning, so I won't be going into the lens. But some customers like to send it anyway. This isn't a real expensive lens. Anyway, well, I guess that's about it on this inspection video. Hope you enjoyed it, and well, later.